ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್
ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ರಷ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೈ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚುಚ್ಚದ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 5 to 10 minutes ಇಚಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೈ. ಚುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ,
ಹೊಡೆದಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಡೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನ್.
ಇದಲ್ಲ It's bunny. Bunny.
Bunny is a nickname for a rabbit also. So you guys are basically giving the same answer. So this is a bunny or a rabbit. Absolutely right. Yes. What did you say? You said head. Why did you get surprised then? Okay. So this is a rabbit, and what is a rabbit's main food?
No.
A rabbit's main food is carrot. But only in cartoons and stories.
Yes.
Not in
Hullu. Grass.
Grass. I heard wool. So, a rabbit's main food is what she said. Absolutely right. Grass. Something that they'll find right in front of them. Are very rare in the wild. Second off, are underground vegetables, even if they're found, except for cabbage maybe. Even if they found the plant, the carrot will be under the ground. They'll only see the leaf, eat that and walk out. Right? So their main food is grass. By the way, carrots and beetroots and sweet fruits and vegetables like carrots are actually a junk food for them. They love eating it, of course. Like we love eating cake and like chocolates and candies and everything. But they'll go unhealthy, their lifespan will decrease, their excretion will start smelling if you like feed them carrots and all for all their meals. So if you ever keep a rabbit as a pet, interrupting Fox said what? Anyway, I don't like that place. So as I was telling you, what was I telling you? You made me forget. Oh yeah, if you ever keep a rabbit as a pet, 85% of their diet has to be grass or hay or bhusa. Bhusa is a wheat brand. Only 15% of their diet, by the way, this diet I'm talking about is weekly diet, not daily diet. Weekly diet, okay? Only 15% of their weekly diet can be like carrots or vegetables that are sweet. Or any vegetables in general. So enough lecture, the rabbit will come sit on your lap, join your knees, wait for it to come. Avoid the head, Kale mood bardu.
No, head. They came late. No, they don't know. Hey, don't touch the head. They came late, so they don't know. ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ತಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, see him say hi. Hello.
They pee around everywhere. They stink a lot. Do not touch his face. No. Ears is part of its head, so you shouldn't touch it. It's a very calm animal. Yeah. I mean, it's used to it. On your lap, closer.
Scared.
No.
How do we know they are happy or scared or?
Normally they just play with jumps and all. So ideally we say it as
Now it's scared.
yeah, now it's no, don't lift. We'll help you with all of those. Or else he's going to shiver. Take off your hand. This one has two different eyes. This is white and this is
Black.
yeah, shift. No, he's going to come out.
No, it's not a tremble, it's his heart.
I'll show you again.
Hi. Good
See,
morning.
all the animals, if it starts wiggling, meaning it's not
Good morning.
and it wiggles, meaning
How are you?
they're doing something like that. So,
Hi, Billu.
not
How are
just
you?
this, any animal that is.
How are you, Billu? How are you?
Taken?
ಬೇಡ
No.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
You want to take him home? You have to sign a letter and take him for free if you wish to.
You come to my home. Will you come to my home? Will you? Yes.
So he's pretty.
Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me?
He's showing us the food. He's under what people are doing. And hence in our
Yes.
he's scared. You want to try? No? Good? Can I take him? Huh?
Okay, guys.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
With that, our session
ನಮ್ಮ
comes to
ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ
an end. Right now, you move on to the next section. These are deco wraps.
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
So,
ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ
these animals that you can only take a look at, the pigeons and the cats and the rats.
ಡಯಾನಾची फोटो काढतात त्यावर गोल्ड फोटो ತೆಗಿ ಡಯಾना
ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಾಯಿ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಾಯಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಬಂಗಾರ ಬಂಗಾರ
Anybody, any blue band over here? No? Okay, good.
ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು
ಅದು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೀ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತದೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಪಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ
ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ
Birds of Paradise? Yes. Okay, you know the game, right? Birds of?
ಪ್ಯಾರಡೈಸ್
Yeah, before starting, is everyone okay with Kannada? Yes, no, I'll go with the majority. No is more. No, you have to You know, Kannada, you know? Okay. Before starting, let me introduce myself.
ವೈಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೋಬಿತ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಮ್ ಕಮ್
Female. See, he is a male.
Yes.
She is a female.
Okay.
Female has lesser bump, whereas male has larger bump. Because male should be traveling from one place to another place. Female sitting on hatching, sitting for hatching. Okay. Here, can you see they have webbed feet?
ಎಸ್
They have teeth also. I'll come close to you. You can observe the teeth.
ಟೀತ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಟೀತ್ ಇದೆ
Okay. One cool fact here. Not only in the goose, all tara aquatic birds are living. When you leave them in the water,
ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು
waterproof. Humans have sweat glands. Something sweat glands is there. They have something called wax glands. Tail in their behind the tail. So they'll pick it from the beak and apply it on the body. It's called cleaning. Cleaning. So that makes them dry even if they come out of the water.
ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಂತೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ.
Okay. Any badminton players here? Badminton players. I will see shuttlecock. Shuttlecock. Okay, those shuttlecock are made by the tail feather of these ducks. White ducks. American Peking duck. Okay, surprise here. You can feed them.
red white
You can feed them. You can come inside and feed them. One second. This is called multi-grain pellets. Okay, na? I'll be giving you only once. Masala. It's not that you don't have enough food. You'll be having till evening. If you don't work it for them. Okay? So only once. Keep your cameras ready. Come inside.
our cameraman here
ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ಸೋದು ಕೂಡ I think you should take photo. No, with you.
So once that is done, it takes 5 to 6 hard months to regrow their tail back. You guys want that to happen? Let's give it a try now and come back after 5 months to see if it's real. Please don't do that. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Thanks, sir. Hello.
Okay, so any guess? So that is a fake spike which helps them as navigators when they are swimming. Okay. And you guys know this character Godzilla. Everybody knows Godzilla, right? So the character Godzilla was designed after a marine iguana. So you take a marine iguana's pic, Godzilla's pic next to each other, it's exactly the same. Okay. On to the main topic. The main reason they have this long, pin sharp, thick tail is just to whip their predators off. Anybody who tries to set
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ